Hi everyone, today we're in a park in Lausanne and I've got a very special product to show to you. Victorinox just launched, it was yesterday, the limited edition, the Swiss limited edition 2022, and this year, it's just I'm doing a little unboxing for you. They chose to take the Cadet, which is normally an Alox knife, and this time they made a special kind of engraving. It's not an engraving, it's more of a 3D printing on the knife. I don't know if you can have a great look. And they represented some Swiss monuments. Trying to make a close-up. On this side you have the Geneva's Jet d'eau. It's a water fountain, a huge water fountain which is located on Geneva's lake. And on here you've got the Zurich Großmünster. It's another monument. And here you've got the Parliament in Bern. There is Luzern's Kaplerbrücke. It's a bridge, a famous bridge in Luzern. And on the top you've got the Sphinx Observatory, which is located on the Jungfrau, yeah. It's a mountain in the Alpines. And so what's interesting is that they took the Cadet, I've already told you, but they put some Celidor scales, like plastic scales, and so it's quite unusual because normally they only do it with Alox scales. You've got all the options of the Cadet. 5 options, I guess. Well, more because they put the toothpick and tweezers, black ones. So I'm going to show you all the options. Normally you should not open all the options at once because it's quite dangerous. But for the video purposes, well, I'm gonna open the blade last. So here are the options, classic Cadet options, with the ring so you can put it wherever you want, in your backpack or elsewhere. And yes, I can close them. And yes, I don't know if you can see it, but it's 3D printed, so there's it's not a flat printing, it's quite nice. And voila. I'm sorry guys, I didn't upload many videos those last 2 months, oh my god. But I had other projects going on, musical projects. And well, it was mandatory for me to show you this one because it's an amazing new product from Victorinox, and I knew you wouldn't want to miss that. So here we go. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, the box is going, there's a little bit of wind. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and also check out that view. I'm gonna move on for you and make a little video of the view because it's amazing. Here we can see all the French Alpines from this park, and today is a beautiful sunny day, so it's perfect. So the lake is Geneva's lake, and here far away you've got Geneva. Awesome. So bye bye, see you next time.